Hey guys, this is Postman SDS helicopter kiddie ride, so let's go.
This is a job.
Special delivery. SDS. What's it going to? I fly this. Postman.
SDS wheel down.
Yes. And Jess. Also, delivery service. Now I went here in August, but because of how busy it was, I decided not to film because of how busy it was. But now it's not as busy, so I'm filming it. And this was made in 2008 by Amutec of Mabelthorpe under license from entertainment rights. It's on its way. Of course, that button is. I think that button is making the propeller sounds, and I think the switch isn't working. The bolt. Okay, and that was the Amutec Postman SDS helicopter kiddie ride, sighted at Adventure Island, Southend on Sea. Bye guys.